you about chicken boneless tikka masala. Now this is our first ingredient. This is curd or yogurt, whatever is available. You can use it. You have to do the marination first. We will put boneless chicken boneless, and then masala and garlic and ginger paste in it. You can see that we should have crushed fresh ginger and garlic with mortar and pestle, so that it gives a very good flavor while when we cook it in the pan. Ginger and garlic paste and mixing it in the yogurt or curd. Next I will put the masala in it. This is 1 teaspoon of garam masala with turmeric half teaspoon, chili half teaspoon. This is cumin, crushed cumin, and this is salt. They are all half teaspoon except garam masala. We add these 5 ingredients in it and then mix it well. And the next step is to add the boneless chicken. And now it will be marinated for 45 minutes. You may keep it in the refrigerator or on the kitchen counter. This is 1 medium size onion and this is tomato puree. Now we are going to fry onions and then add some masala and tomato puree, which we will add to the fried chicken tikka. Now in oil and tomato mixture, we are going to add half teaspoon of coriander, black seeds, half teaspoon of salt and a pinch of white pepper. Let it heat up a little. Now let it cook on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes until the tikkas are cooked. Now the chicken tikka is ready. You can see that it is the masala has dried and it's almost ready now, and I have to add the mixture which we prepared with onion and tomato and some other little masala. So let's add it. Now mix it well and let it cook for a little time. 1 to 2 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of curd or yogurt, and then add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. This is my secret recipe. This is my secret recipe which I am sharing with you. And I hope you all like it. Do try this recipe. It will be very delicious. So you can see that the chicken tikka masala is ready, and you can dish it out. Or you may take it with chapati, naan, roti or bread. Thank you. I have dished out chicken boneless tikka masala, and I am serving it with mint chutney and coriander naan. Serve chicken boneless tikka masala with coriander naans. Coriander naans are beautiful looking, so eat them hot and it will be a very delicious combination.